Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you an easy methods on how to fix your mouse which can't click anything in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Control, Shift, and Escape key together in your keyboard so that you would be able to open the small window called Task Manager. Okay, so here you need to proceed on your apps and you need to look for Windows Explorer. So if you in your case, if your Windows Explorer, if you can see your Windows Explorer running here under the apps, just have to proceed on background processes or in the Windows processes. It might be running there, okay? So once you have to find it, click on it, okay? And just have to do a right click, okay? Just have to use your mouse pad, the built-in mouse pad in your Windows, okay? You could also use your tab key so that you'd be able to select such. Okay. So just have to do with it. Use your tab. Okay. And just have to go with restart. Okay. So once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, just have to check if your problem has been fixed. But let's say if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our next step. Okay. So our next step will be here at the keyboard again, we will be navigating the same process, and that is to press Control Shift and Escape key together again, and you'd be able to open your Task Manager once again. Now, using your Tab key, just have to use that. You need to select on Run New Task. Once you have selected it, click on Enter to proceed. The moment you click on it, this new window will appear, which is called Create New Task. Just have to type for CMD and you need to use your tab key. And the moment it select create this task with administrative privileges, click your space bar key. And once it is being checked, proceed on using your tab key and select OK and then click on enter. Once you have clicked on it, you'd be able to open a small window which is called command prompt system. Where here, you need to type for GP update. Again, type for GP update and then click on enter. Once you have click on it, wait until the process will be done. Okay. And it says here computer policy updated has completed successfully. Just have to wait until all of the steps will be done. Okay. Okay, so once it is being done, the user policy updated has completed successfully as well. You need to type this time CH key, DS key, space, C colon. Once you have typed it, click on enter and wait until the process will be done. Okay, so this will scan the system, which is NTFS, which is the volume in your computer. Just have to wait until this process will be done, and this will undergo different stages. Just have to wait until all of this will be done. And once you're done, close this window and then restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our third step. Our third step will be you need to press Windows and R key together. And in this small window, you need to type for CMD. Sorry, type davmgmt.msc. Sorry for that, okay? Again, type for davmgmt.msc and use your tab key and select OK. And once you have selected it, click on Enter to proceed. The moment this window will appear, here you need to use your tab again. Okay, just have to use your tabbed. And once you have selected your computer name, which in my case, TonetP is my computer name, just have to use your down arrow key and select mice and other pointing devices. Once you have selected it, click your right key and you will be able to see your mouse driver. Now here's the catch. You need to select your mouse driver that you are currently facing an error with. Okay? Once you have selected it, click on your right key or just have to press enter and this will appear. Okay. So using your tab key again, you need to proceed on general and you need to click your right key to proceed on driver. Once you have selected it, now here you need to use your tab key and you need to select on update driver. Okay. Once you have selected it, click on enter to proceed and it will opt you to choose two options which is this. Just have to go with the first which is search automatically for drivers. Click on enter and when your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, proceed to this, which is search for updated drivers and Windows Update. Now, this will update your mouse drivers and it might take some time, but definitely it will be worth it since it will help you to fix your problem. Okay? Once you have done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? But let's see if it doesn't, then we need to move on to our next step. Okay? So here at the device manager again, let me just close this. Okay? This time, you need to navigate the same process, but this time you need to proceed on uninstall device. So using your tab key, click on uninstall device and click on enter. And the moment you have to click on it, make sure that this box attempt to remove the driver for this device is unchecked. Okay? Once you have ensured that it is unchecked, use your tab key and proceed on uninstall and click on enter. Don't worry because the moment you have uninstalled it, the moment you have restarted your computer and once you have relaunched it again, it will automatically be installed in your Windows. So just have to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. Okay, those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.